goddag i hvert fald. Altså lige inden dagens video går i gang i hvert fald, så vil jeg lige fortælle i hvert fald, altså de følgende klip, som kommer her i hvert fald, det er jo nogen, som jeg oprindeligt har planlagt i hvert fald skulle bruges i årets julekalender, men de her, de endte så som Fraklip i hvert fald, som jeg så tænkte jeg så i hvert fald lige for, at I lige kan få et lille indblik i, og så i hvert fald, hvordan niveauet sådan ligesom på, at fungere på min julekalender i hvert fald, så i hvert fald, jeg håber i hvert fald, altså I vil kunne lide dem i hvert fald, altså så også lige I kan få kølet lidt ned her i sommervarmen i hvert fald, så men i hvert fald, men nyd de kommende klip her i hvert fald, så ses vi i hvert fald snart igen i hvert fald, altså her på mandag i hvert fald, så. Men kan I have godt indtil vi ses igen? Hej hej.
Oh, hi. It's I just need to make some coffee, so it seems like Julekalender has been here. Her kan I se. Yes. Og han har efterladt this one, so we'll just open this fødselsdagsgave in just a moment. So I'll just make a cup of coffee. So let's do it. It's ready lige om et øjeblik. Yes, now we are just making some coffee. So let's hope there is something good in the gave for julemanden. Yes, I'll just see you in a moment. Yes, yeah. Then we're just now tend the juletree, so let's take it a little more over so you can see it. Yes. Tager vi lige. Så. Sådan der. Yes. Now you can see the juletree here. Yes. So yes. I'll just take some coffee. And then we'll see if Julekalender has been good to us. And we have a Gengar here, so we just lie it over here. So we have some booster her. Dem leger vi lige der. Så. And then let's see what boosters are in this. Oh, it's two Chaos Rising and a Perfect Order and a Phantasma Flames. So now we'll just see. Let's take Phantasmal Flames first. So let's see if we are lucky. Yes. And let's see. Grass. Ja, det var det. Oh, here's Dawn. Cool. I need that one. What's this? Cool. It's a Yamper. Yes. It seems like we were lucky. Yes. Let's see if Juleman has more good things to us. Fire. Nope. What's this? Oh, okay. Oh. It seems there is something good in here. Oh, cool! Cool. Mega Stammy. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Now let's see if we are lucky again. Water. Nee. And that one. And that one. Yes. Oh, okay. Now the last pack. Let's see if we are healthy. Yes. Electricity. Nope. Fire. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh yes. So that was this first scale from Juleman. So yes. I think I'll just go over and play on the clavier. So Oh, let's see you in a moment.